happened?
Oh, the ambulance down there. They talking about, man, somebody did a burnout on some pliers, right? Somebody had some pliers on the ground. He left a pipe wrench down. That Mustang came through and did a burnout over the wrench.
I see somebody got hit.
Yeah, man, they had a pipe wrench and a ratchet on the ground because he had just got through twisting on the carburetor. Man, it was a pipe wrench and a ratchet on the ground. Dude just finished working on his car in the line because his carburetor was tripping. Hey, miss, what really happened, I thought it was a pipe wrench. It ended up being a sledgehammer. It scraped all the meat off her leg after the dude did a burnout because they was out in the car working on the carburetor. But now, when he did the burnout, he hit that lady in the leg, blood everywhere. All them people was down there standing in the way, and somebody had put a monkey wrench down and a ratchet. But what happened down there, it was a ratchet on the track, and that car did a burnout over the ratchet, and it flew out, and it cut her leg off. Blood gushing everywhere, miss. Blood gushing everywhere. Got her leg gushing, blood everywhere, miss. They had to call an ambulance down here and to put towels and stuff around the leg. They had to call an ambulance and everything. They ain't have enough gauze. They had to go back down there and get some more and run down to the store real quick. It was too much, they ain't have enough gauze in order to stop the blood, so they had to run down to the store. And they gonna, yeah. Man, somebody had laid a ratchet, a monkey wrench or something on the track, and the car did a burnout over the, and then it hit this lady in the leg. Blood started gushing everywhere, man. Yeah, blood everywhere. I'm telling you, miss. They had to call the ambulance to come down there. They started putting the gauze on the leg. They ran out of gauze. They had to run down to the store and get some more. That's where they just went to right now. They on the way back. Yeah, they finna come back. Yeah.
Oh no,
they finna come back. No, they headed to Walgreens. They headed to Walgreens. They finna go to the store and get us some more. They said it was too much shit. Blood everywhere. Blood everywhere, man. And the dude came through and did a burnout, and the ratchet and stuff flew in the monkey wrench, and it hit a lady in the leg. She started bleeding, blood everywhere. They had called the ambulance to come down there. They put all the gauze and everything over her leg, trying to stop the bleed. Then they had to run back to the store because they ain't have enough. They ain't have enough. They ain't have enough to stop all the bleeds and blood everywhere, all in the burnout box. They ain't have enough. They going to Walgreens right now. I'm trying to tell you. Y'all heard, right? Oh, you saw it? Yeah, see, he know I ain't lying. And it hit a lady in her leg. Blood started gushing everywhere. They called the ambulance down there, and he was just getting everything situated in the ambulance. He come down here and get the blood up, and he ain't have enough gauze. They on the way to CVS now to stop the bleeding. They had they got her with her, I think. I just know they was going to the store.
Ain't nobody said nothing about no, they ain't have no gauze.
Yeah, oh, the gauze, oh well. I know they were trying to stop the bleeding. Yeah, well, they were trying to stop it. Well, they might go to CVS, I don't know. It was Walgreens or CVS, one of the two. It probably split it right. Damn, man, I don't want to look at it. And dude he forgot it was on the ground and did a burnout over it. And when he did the burnout over it, hit a lady in the leg. Blood started gushing everywhere. And it scraped all her skin off and started gushing all in the burnout box. They called the ambulance to come down here. And when they did it, they got in contact with her. They put all the gauze on her, and then they ran out of gauze. Now they headed up there to CVS to get some more. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, man. You ain't heard?
I heard something different. I heard.
What you heard?
I heard that somebody made a bet down there.
Yeah.
Yeah. And somebody went upside somebody's head. Blood started.
Man, that ain't what happened, man. No, they had a ratchet and a screwdriver. Nah, a pipe wrench.
We'll check you out.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
He left him on the ground. The dude did a burnout over the tools, and he ended up hitting a lady in the leg, peeled off her skin and everything. Blood started gushing everywhere. They had to call the ambulance to come get the blood to stop bleeding. He get down there, he done ran out of gauze and can't even stop the bleeding. Now they running down there to CVS to get some more gauze so they can stop it. Yeah, that's what I be saying. And they headed to CVS right now to go get some more gauze. They ran out. Yeah.
So they just saying forget the hospital.
Oh no, the other dude, he got a tag around it right now.
Oh.
They ain't have enough, man. No, that's serious. It just happened. That lady back there bleeding, she in pain.
You better make sure don't nothing fly over here and hit you while you down.
Yeah, that's why I came down here. I'm keeping the lookout. I'm on the lookout, man.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.